So we're out and about out here in Namibia. We've hired our own car and we're gonna go check out some really cool and scenic places. So I'm gonna split up with a squad for a day or two. I'm gonna go like towards the south of the country.
He's leaving us.
Spent tonight camping out in the desert, and now I have finally made it out to Deadvlei, which is right over there. I'm gonna head down pretty soon to go and check it out, but I'm really stoked and excited about this place. So if I'd stood here about 700 years ago, I'd be completely submerged in the water, but all of that has changed now. It's completely different terrain and looks wonderful. Look at that.